Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to share with you guys my experience in abroad. For those who think that abroad is easy, especially those that live in Africa, they think maybe when you come to abroad you start plucking money, or they have a big money train that someone can go and pluck money. In abroad, many people are suffering. Many people don't even have roof on their head. Many people are sleeping in the street. Many people don't even have food to eat, especially our Nigerian people. Some of them are begging in supermarket to pay their house rent. Some of them are even hawking, like doing things they cannot even do in Africa. Some of them are even hawking, like selling stockings. You will see rich man in Nigeria. Maybe you are even better before you come abroad. When you come here, you will see yourself doing things you never dream of doing for 20 years coming. Because of the situation in abroad, you start doing it. But before I will start, I just want you guys to watch this clip. After that, I will be right back.
When some people here say you dey abroad, them go conclude say you know the sweat. Them go begin count months for you, some go begin count years for you. Life in abroad, it no be so. That's what I'm thinking, no be so. If you no go, you no go know. Waiting who go to see him on the for the mad on the inner street. Come with picket you go back. Some people are homeless yet you no go know. So forget waiting Facebook they show. The street is rough to make them tough. Who no go tell you how we dey be? Make you no put pressure on me. Now my own ways I just dey run. The street is rough to make them tough. Who no go tell you how we dey be? Make you no put pressure on me. Now my own ways I just dey run. Listen, agents go tell you say the moment you enter, the company driver go pick you for airport. The next day you go begin to work. Within 2 months you don't begin enjoy. Some people in the village get money back so they are fraud. Even guy man wey no get money is free to take pictures in bank. I want to go Dubai, I want to go Malaysia. If you see my guy pictures on Facebook, now him done dey shine. The street is rough to make am tough. Who no go tell you how we dey be? Make you no put pressure on me. Now my own ways I just dey run. The street is rough to make am tough. Who no go tell you how we dey be? Make you no put pressure on me. Now my own ways I just dey run. Some people they suffer in prison, yet their people no sabi. When you call legend or roommates, them go tell you say all is well. Living in abroad is tough and strong.
So guys, after watching this clip, what did you learn? Not. The worst part is that particular clip, every day I went out, I would see those people lying inside the coal. Because I used to go out 6 o'clock, I would see them lying down inside the coal. I feel like crying. I just feel like crying. Abroad is not what you think. Abroad is not what you think. Abroad is just a name. Abroad is just a name. Many people are suffering. Okay, right now, after all the suffering, then someone will send money to his people to build house or to do investment for them. You will eat up the money. My dear, fear God. Even if you cannot fear God, you fear devil. You will eat up the money. And even claiming to set him up, or even claiming to kill him, or make him run mad, or make him forget coming back to Africa. because of your own selfishness. Abroad is not easy. It's not what you think. Many people will plan, we have a very good plan before coming to abroad. When you come to abroad, you will see that music will change. What you think before coming to abroad is not what you are seeing. Our brother are suffering. If you see any of your brother or your sister or anybody who come to abroad, later make it and come back to Africa, dear, give that person a handshake, because it's not easy. You don't know what he passed through to make those money. You don't know what he passed through to build that mansion. You don't know what he passed through to drive that big car you think he's driving. You don't know what he passed through. When you come to train station, many people are sleeping in train station, even a special cold time. Many people will sleep there with their own kids, with their own children, because of there is no roof. Because of they don't have roof on their head. They don't have shelter. Many of our girls are doing prostitution to survive, to make their family happy. Many of them come through the sea. Did you know what they passed through? Did you know what they passed through? Starting from Libya to Agadez to Tripoli, from there to Italy or to any country of their choices. Then they will now send you money to help them and do investment, and you eat up the money. Many of our mothers are doing prostitution in this country and abroad to make it. Many of our brothers are frustrated in abroad. This abroad you are here is just a name. Abroad is hellfire. I will say it and I will say it again. Abroad is hellfire. Many people spend 20 years here without document. Many people pass through many things to make it in life. Many people do many things, hard drug and all that to make it, later find themselves in prison. So why can't your brother or your sister give you money to help him or her to achieve something? You will destroy the money. So my brother and sister, my advice for you guys, there are those people who think that abroad is the way you think, or who think that abroad is easy. It's not easy. They forget the picture you are seeing on Facebook. Some people are living fake life. Yes. Forget the picture I post in supermarket or I post with car. Some people are living, most of them are living fake life. Some of them are even borrowing the clothes they wear or even the shoe. Yes. So stop looking at how this one that abroad is making it to nothing. If you have like 1 million in your account, I use that 1 million to invest something, like to make a good plan, you will be better than those who live in abroad. Do you know that those people who live in Nigeria is better than those who live in abroad? Do you know that? Forget the clothes. Forget the marker. Forget the shoe. Forget the wristwatch. Some may wear China, you don't know. Forget all those material things. Forget say, my friend do, I want to do. Fake life. Abroad is not easy. Many of us Many people in this abroad are suffering. Girls are doing prostitution to make it. Yes. Guys are begging for street. They will stand for supermarket to pay their house rent. Yes. Some are carry hard job to make it. Yes. Then after all that, your brother or your sister will send you money to help him or her to build house. You will eat up the money. For those who is thinking that I'm coming to abroad, I want to go to abroad, might they stay in your country. Look for money. Open a shop. Do other things. You will see that before 1 year, you will see your level. Stop looking at those who is living fake life in abroad. You'll be thinking maybe this is good for them. Some people stay for this abroad 10, 15, 5 years. They never achieve anything. They don't even have like 100,000 in their accounts. They don't have 100,000 in their account. Sometimes I do cry a lot because I have woman sympathy. I used to cry a lot. So sometimes I will just go around that train station. I'll be looking at people sleeping inside the car. Some people used to eat in Caritas. There is a place they call Caritas, where Italian people used to cook free food for those people who does not have house. Some people do sleep there. Some people do go there and eat. You will see them, they will be struggling to collect food to eat. God. So, my brothers and my sisters, I'm not here to offend anyone, but I'm only here to tell you that abroad is not easy. It's not what you think. Many are suffering in this abroad. Sure. Many people are suffering. So for those who is thinking that I want to come to abroad, you first of all ask yourself question. You first of all ask people who live in abroad. Yes. Do you know how much people used to pay house rent in abroad for only 1 month? You yourself will use that amount of money to rent 2 years. A full apartment, you use it to rent 2 years. You pay for 2 years rent in Africa. You will still have change. Are you talking about the light bill? Or are you talking about the dustbin or gas cooker? Or even the heater you use, you will pay. Anything you do in abroad, you must pay. Yes. So my brothers and sisters, before you be thinking of I want to come to abroad, you need to ask yourself questions. Yes. Many of our girls are doing prostitution. Many of our mothers are doing prostitution. Many of our brothers are standing in supermarket doing begging. Something they will never do in Nigeria. Yes. Many are doing things that they cannot even dream of doing in Africa. This video is for those people that live in Africa. For those that are thinking that I want to come to abroad. To do what? Exactly, to do what? Before thinking of I want to come to abroad, you need to do what? Ask yourself question. Abroad is not what you think. Abroad is not easy. Abroad is just name. Think before you do. Many people are regretting why they come this abroad. Many people are regretting. Many are frustrated. Many doesn't have document to come back. Many is in the prison because of they want to make it fast. Because of they want to make their family happy. And after all that, you will send money to your people to do investment for you. You will eat up that money. Oh God. Sometimes I feel like crying. Do you even know that some guys are also doing prostitution? Yes. Do you know that some guys are doing prostitution? Maybe you don't know. They are not doing it because it suits them. They are not doing it because they love doing it. They are not doing it because they enjoy doing it. They are doing it because they need to meet up their target. They need to pay their house rent. They need to eat. Also, our girls or even our mothers, they are not doing all those things because they enjoy doing it. Some people don't want to do prostitution, but because of frustration, they will do it so that they can be able to take care of themselves and even also pay house rent and all that. Mostly house rent. Mostly house rent. Many are suffering abroad. Abroad is nowhere. Oh God. I don't even know what to say anymore. I don't know what to say anymore because if I start saying it, I will start crying. People that live in Nigeria is better than people that live in abroad, 100%. 100%. You know why? Because you don't think anything. The only thing you know, a year you pay your house rent. Because the only thing people think in this abroad is how to settle their bills, their house rent, mostly their house rent, how to settle it. And if you didn't meet up the target, you start thinking. You start cracking your brain. You start thinking how to do bad thing for you to meet up your target, to pay your house rent. But for Nigeria, you will pay only 1 year. You will relax. When it's up that 1 year, maybe November or maybe 9 months, you start looking for the money. Before then, you have already saved the money to pay. But this way, 1 month, you will, before you go even enter 15 days, you start looking for your house rent money. Some people are only catering for house rent, not even for food. They will even manage to cater for house rent. Many people are sleeping in train station, outside, main road, name it. So guys, I'm done for today. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you so much. And thank you for your support. Those who subscribe to my YouTube channel. But for those who have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe to my channel. Let's become one family. Yes. Subscribe. Alright guys. I love you guys and I always love you guys. Okay? I love you all. I love you. Ciao. Don't forget to turn on your notification in case if I upload any video, you'll be the first person to watch my video. Subscribe and turn on that notification. So anytime I upload new video, they will notify you. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to comment. Anything you have in mind, anything you feel like you want to say, comment it on the comment section. I will reply you. Okay? So guys, thank you very much. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you.